Good morning, students. Welcome to the grade 9 session. This is a second episode. The topic is nature of matter. Now, this matter, many times you are hearing this word in English. What's the matter? But it is not like that. It is now we are discussing in scientific point of view. What is a matter? So, take my example on. I am standing in front of you. I am having a mass of 74 kg, and the floor is occupied by Azhar sir. Now it means that Azhar sir has occupied space also and has a mass also. So according to this definition of science, Azhar sir is a matter. Now one more is there. Many are there matter. Just I am explaining you. This is a duster. It is kept on my palm. It is had mass. It has a mass, and it had occupied a space. So according to the definition of matter, which has having a space and has a mass, so this will be also matter. Chalk, matter. Board, matter. Cupboard, matter. So next thing is that this matter, according to the Indian and Greek philosophy, Panchatattva is given one concept, that is earth, sky, fire, water, air. Now why I had written like this in sequence? So it is a pair, you can see earth is down, sky is up. So it is easy to understand. Fire, and that can be doused by water. So pair, and last is air. So in this way, many times what had happened, whenever you want to say the Panchatattva, one of the tattva will be skipped. Just like the Prakash Javadekar HRD minister. So it should not happen. So that's why some sequence, how to remember the things. So by its opposite things you can remember easily. So whatever the matter is made, that is made from these five. Out of them it is made only. Then you know about the Maharshi Kanad. We had given first concept of the atom. The matter is composed of atoms. Now let's further look at this classification of matter. So classification, if you will see the basic classification of a matter, there are two. One is physical, one is chemical. In physical classification, the states of matter is discussed. Solid, liquid, gas. Fifth I will take plasma, and one more BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate particles. Then in chemical classification, there are two things. One is pure, another is impure. Pure matter, again of two types, elements. One is compound. Element further if we will classify, it will be metal, non-metal. Compound again classify, inorganic and organic. So this is the classification of matter. Now let us discuss the point. In physical classification, the matter is classified into two things, physical and chemical. When we are discussing about the physical, then the matter which is a solid. So this chalk, you will see, this is a solid and it is made from some particles. You are seeing the impact of that particles on my fingers. Now it is having compact, this solid structure is having a compact. All the particles are compact. Their crowd is more. The space between the particles is very less. The force of attraction is greatest. So these all characteristics, properties of a matter, that is particularly solid. So all the matter, okay, that will be discussed here. Then one more thing about this property is that diffusion is very less in the solid case. Then compressibility, compression is very least in that. Exceptions are their sponge. You will take the sponge, it is though solid, If you press, then it will get pressed easily. But other than that, they are hard. Okay. So this is about the solid. Particular distance is very least, but force of attraction is greatest. So we can write here to your understanding, less interparticular distance. Second thing, great force of attraction. Force of attraction, greatest. Now in terms of liquid state, when you will talk about the liquid, the particles of liquid will be loose as compared to this chalk, but the force of attraction will be less as compared to the solid state. So here what will come? The interparticular space will be greatest as compared to the solid. Force of attraction will be weak, less as compared to the solid. One more thing is that in particular way for the liquid and gases, they are fluids, unlike the solid. Solid is not a fluid. So liquid is a fluid. It shows the fluidity property. The space will be more. Third is gaseous. You know the water vapors are there, gases are there. In between them the space is greatest than all the two, solid and liquid. And force of attraction is very least. So this will be talking about the gases. Then they are okay, they don't have this gaseous part, these gases, they don't have a shape. Okay, and the next thing is that plasma. Now plasma, if we talk about that, we are seeing the sun. The sun's rays are looked, okay, like one flash. That flash, that energy, that energetic particles, highly energetic particles, they belong to a state that is called plasma. Then Bose-Einstein condensate, they are super cooled energetic particles, highly cooled, highly compressed. That will be okay discussed by the Bose earlier, and then Einstein has proved okay, that will be the fifth states of matter. Now further classification will go. The chemical classification, again it will come pure substances, pure matter, impure matter. Pure matter will have an element. Now this element, we will talk about the gold. Gold is made from the gold particles only. Gold is not made from let's say mud particles. So no one will purchase from your shop. So this element, just I told the gold is one of the example, and it is a pure. So we are checking the purity 24 karat, 22 karat. Okay, that will come in that. Copper, if we will take, all the particles will be there in the copper, of copper only, not of the sulfur. So that will be okay. The metals, non-metal sulfur, if I will take, then in sulfur powder there will be, if there will be a mixture of some mud particles, then it is not a pure one. So only that elements is composed of their own particles only, not other particles. Then purity about the compounds. In compound, they are made from more than one elements. For example, water. In compound we will take a water, H2O. So it is made from hydrogen and oxygen. So their composition is fixed by their masses. Hydrogen, if we will take this 1 into 2, 2 hydrogens are there, mass is 1, 1 into 2 divided by 1 oxygen, 18. So 2 upon 16, the ratio will come 1:8. It means that in America, if you will go and you will ask to Donald Trump, give me a water. So Donald Trump will give you a water. In that water, hydrogen's mass with the oxygen mass will be 1:8 only. If you will go in China, you will ask to Chinese, they will also serve you water which will have 1:8. In Wuhan also, if you will go, where that pandemic came, there also the ratio of H and oxygen will be 1:8. So now in the compound there is a definite fixed proportion of their masses, their atomic masses. So that will come in compound. If you will take water, until and unless you will not mix some other things in water, it will be water only. So it will be a pure substance. We are seeing in market pure ghee, we are seeing in market pure honey, but if adulterations is there, so that will be not a pure. So that will come in the definition of compound. Then further compound is classified into inorganic and organic. So in organic compounds, I told earlier also, those we are getting from mines, those we are getting from under crust. Cinnabar is there, mercuric sulfide is there, sulfur ores are there, then calcium ores are there, hematite is a iron ore. So all these things, they belong to inorganic things. Organic in plant and particularly animals. From their sources we are getting the chemicals that will be organic compounds. So today, students, we had learnt about this nature of matter. So let us revise nature of matter. The definition first. Matter means what? Matter occupies space and it has mass. According to Indian philosophers and Greek philosophers, they believe that matter which is made, that is made out of these five only: earth, sky, fire, water and the air. Then further the classification we have seen the physical and chemical classification. In physical classification, 5 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, Bose, Einstein, condensate. In solid particles we have seen there is less space, great force of attraction, then further compressibility is very less, diffusion is very less. Liquid, the space will little bit increase as compared to solid and force of attraction will be less in that, compressibility more as compared to solid, and diffusion property also. Then gases, the greatest diffusion, greatest compressibility, then very less force of attraction, greatest distance in between. Plasma, highly energetic particles, just like sun glow you had seen. Bose, Einstein, condensate. So this is highly cooled, super cooled states of particles. So that we had seen. Then chemical classification: pure and impure matter. Pure matter, elements, compounds. In element also metal, copper, zinc, many metals you know that. Then non-metals: sulfur, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Then impure, the impure is remaining. So now last section is that in impure there are two things of classification. One is homogeneous and one is heterogeneous. Now in terms of homogeneous, if I will take alcohol and I will mix in water and I will tell you, find out how many layers are there, how many things are there. You will tell, sir, it is looking only one, uniform. So that is a uniform, or homogeneity is there, that is a homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture, now if you will tell, sir, this is a milk, this is also looking like one. But this is not enough for the milk. To understand the milk case, the particle size is important. The particle size of the milk is colloidal particles they are scattering the light. So the milk is not an example of homogeneous, it will come under the section of heterogeneous. So homogeneity, uniform layer, that will belong to homogeneous mixture. So in impure substances you will get the mixture, and mixture is again of two types. One is homogeneous, one layer, and another one is heterogeneous, more than one layer. So I think today this will be sufficient. So next episode we will meet. Okay, so till then do the study of these things and make questionnaires. Till then, goodbye.